All right, so this next one is where we have two equations and we have to decide if it has no solution, in other words, you have parallel lines, a unique solution, your two lines cross in a point, or if it has infinite many solutions, they're actually the same line. Now, if my two equations are in standard form where the x and the y are on the same side of the equal and the numbers on the other side, like they are in the first problem, what we're going to do is just go ahead and add those two equations together. I turned my pen on, evidently. Let me turn my pen on. There we go. So x plus negative x would cancel each other out. Negative 4y and a positive 4y cancel each other out, so I get 0. On the other side, a negative 4 plus a negative 4 is a negative 8. When you get 0 equals something other than 0, in this case, negative 8, that's not a true statement. The system is going to have no solution. So that one we're just done. We've got it solved. It has no solutions. Those two lines would be parallel if you graph them. On the other one, you notice it's not quite in standard form. The top equation is in standard form, but the second equation is not. We need to move the number to the other side. So I'm going to take this minus 8, move it over to the other side, make it a positive 8, and now I can add my two equations together. X and negative x again cancel out. A negative 2 and a positive 2 cancel out. So this side is 0. And then negative 8 and a positive 8 also cancel out. So this side is 0. When you get 0 equals 0, that's when you have the system has infinite many solutions and you have to rearrange and solve one of your equations for y. So if I just take the top one, x minus 2y equals negative 8. I'm going to move my x to the other side. So negative 2y is going to equal a negative x minus 8. My negative didn't quite want to write. There we go. And then I'm going to divide by negative 2. Now you could stop right there and use that as your answer if you're not good with simplifying. Don't forget the negative. That was supposed to be negative 2. Otherwise, if you did simplify this one, y would equal, I have a negative over a negative, so it's going to be a positive. Since the coefficient isn't written in front of the x, it's understood to be a 1. So negative 1 over negative 2 would be positive 1/2 x. And then negative 8 over negative 2, positive 4. So y equals 1/2 x plus 4 would be your solution there.